The Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport yesterday announced that they will host two special Reggae Month concerts, Reggae on the Pier and Sizzla Kalonji in concert. According to Minister of Entertainment and Culture, Olivia Grange, they're starting with a small number of specially invited, fully vaccinated guests.
Well, in fact, we're not going to have this. We're just going to film the concert and then have it carried on social media and on television on, I think it's the 27th. But then I got my cue from the Minister of Health and the Minister of Local Government, and of course from discussions coming out of Cabinet, where we agreed that we would start the whole process of reducing the restrictions.
Reggae on the Pier will feature some of reggae's biggest names, including Beres Hammond, Marcy Griffiths, Taurus Riley, Richie Spice, Christopher Martin, among others. Then Sizzla Kalonji in concert will see the Solid as a Rock artist with a 35-piece reggae orchestra. Now, on a different note overseas, as the highly anticipated Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival announced that it is removing COVID-19 restrictions. According to the festival promoters, in accordance with local guidelines, there will be no vaccination, testing or mask requirements at Coachella 2022. The event organizer also noted that COVID policies may change in accordance with applicable public health conditions. Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival is slated for this April at Empire Polo Club in California. Reggae artist Teflon Young King has been getting positive feedback from his newly released mixtape titled Acknowledge Me or Not, Love Me For Me. The mixtape was released on his own Yada Love record label and dropped February 12. It is available on all streaming platforms. Teflon Young King shares his inspiration behind the project with E-Prime.
The inspiration is, over the years I've been putting in so much work and people fail to see the great work what I've been doing. So I came to one conclusion: is either they will acknowledge me or don't. So this was where the whole concept of the mixtape came from, and this is the volume 2. You know, I had this concept already, and I made a mixtape volume 1 already, and this is the volume 2 of it. So basically, it's the overlooking that people have been overlooking the great works and would even turn the black of them eye to even acknowledge it. So this was where Acknowledge Me or Don't came from.
The mixtape boasts singles like North Pole, Mindset, Man of the Moment, and Mama Proud featuring Erupt. Acknowledge Me or Not, Love Me For Me follows his previously released EP So Determined and his 19-track album Years of Pain, which was released last year. Teflon Young King is now gearing up to embark on his Years of Pain US tour slated for April. The tour will be making stops in major cities across the US. I am Deidre Gordon reporting for E-Prime.